snores on. Remember the words, the bear snores on.
Dad, just move back a teeny bit.
Good?
Okay, now hold it up. Okay, that's better.
Okay. In a cave in the woods, in the deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. And there's the brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. And there is the bear sleeping in his lair. The cold winds howl and the night sound growl, and all together, guys, but the bear snores on.
Snores on.
And there's the bear snoring on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. And there is the mouse. Does that look like a mouse, guys? Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. And there is the mouse creating a little fire next to the bear. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Everybody see the rabbit? Ho, mouse, says hare, long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. And so there's the hare and the mouse brewing black tea. And popcorn. Mouse slips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. See, everybody see that? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. And there, I brought some honey nuts, badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up and cozy and dig in. And there's the badger and the hare and the little mouse. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. Everybody, but the bear snores on. Is that bear sleeping? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. And there's the two birds coming in from the snow. Mole mutters, "What a night," what a storm, twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. And there's everybody in the bear's den, including the birds. They twitter and they tweet, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. And there's everybody having a party, and the bear is sleeping away. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear. What happens when pepper goes in the air? Go ahead.
Colin. A chew.
Achoo! He blows, he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And there's everybody scared because the bear has woken up. And the bear wakes up, bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear grumbles and grumbles and growls. And there he is. Everybody's scared. You snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. The bear is crying because he didn't have any fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Now the bear is happy because he's going to be part of the party. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. He spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep. And there he is, wide awake. But his friends snore on. And that's the end. Now,